how to resize and rotate images in Yoshion app. Ready to get your images looking just right in Yoshion? Today we'll go over how you can resize or rotate them. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Yoshion app. I'm already inside it. Once you're inside it, simply tap on this edit button, which is right over here, where you can see the last option. Simply tap on it. Then it will open up you the gallery section. From the gallery, simply tap on the photo which you want to resize and rotate. Let's tap on this photo right over here. So this is the photo. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to this type of interface. First of all, let's resize the image. To resize the image, simply tap on this crop right over here. And there you'll be finding several options. There's an option for the free, IG, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and many other ratios too. So you can use the free option if you want to make it as you like, or the size that is not mentioned right over here. Or if you know where you are going to upload this photo, what you can do is simply tap on it. For example, I want to upload to my IG or the Instagram. It will look like this. Just exit it as you like and it will be resized. Let's use a free for now because I want it to be full like this. And once you're done, simply tap on this tick mark which is right over here and it's done. And the second thing is to rotate the image. Now to rotate the image, you can see an option for the rotate which is at the last bottom. It's right over here. Just give it a tap and you will be seeing this type of interface. There's an option for turn left, turn right, horizontal, and vertical. You can choose either of them to rotate your image. If you want it to turn left, simply tap on this one and then it will be rotated to the left. And if you want to turn it to the right, simply tap on this. If you want to turn it to the horizontal, do it like this. And if you want to rotate the image to the vertical one, simply tap on this vertical one. Wasn't this easy? So, in this way, you can resize and rotate your image using the Yoshion app. I hope this video was helpful. That's it, you have successfully resized and rotated your image using the Yoshion app. Give it a try with your own photos. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.